So my people, me have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So one of the things me I'm gonna share with one of my people, Ivany and K, at it. See, so Ivany come say some things about K, and K respond and deal with that wicked. See, cause you know what me and our people. It look like say everybody will do them body certain way. Them and Ivany are feeling an argument cause I be a comparison I go on. Zane Ivany I compare for herself to every girl who do them body. You know what I mean? And me say Destiny pan a look a clip I say boy Ivany bad mind the girl them. Zane and because Candy go do must photo shoot, Ivany go do photo shoot. So me don't know if me can find a clip there cause I think it's a yesterday that clip there still, but if me find me share with Uno, but me I go make Uno know. Me I go share the clip with Ivany at this K, and you know what I mean, make Uno hear what K after saying response to Ivany, right? We also have the TikTok law here. Right, and she and her panel talk about the Damian dominance situation because Damian run up the Jamaican TikTok scene. You know what I mean? Everybody have a problem with him on Jamaica ranking because him up in at the podium right through. You know what I mean? Because him have a big team. You see it, so them no want him mere youth on MKTV as a boy him to come off of the Jamaican ranking. Them tired of him, but him did up on the live while them attack still. I know them run their serious joke more while and them with it. You see it. So this youth here, Damian will make a big impact on the Jamaican scene, and it look like say him give them competition, him take over a certain way, and him help out enough people to cause what I see him give I think youth and him put us him give money, and we remember who else him give some. You know what I mean? So go on with himself, you know what I mean? All them have to push harder. That are more competition, so them will get more coins if them never know that. So them run out the man for them. If you want the competition for them gifters, them run out and shoot more and them get more money. Alright, so also my people, we have Annie, you know what I mean? I give her history about when one of the time she got read a man with one of her friend, and the friend go back go tell the other friend so she got read a man go work and she that are the other friend. So me I go share with Uno that my people. So these are the things me have to share with Uno. If there's anything more me I go add it to it and share with Uno. So me quick kick it off, you know, my people.
But me not like when strangers put themselves in
yes. Make we cuss and name up one another.
Yes, make we fight for the ranking. Make we do everything. Thanks, Concord. But when other people are coming out, no, me not like that. No, make them stay with them, let them there. No, him can't play with them, nothing wrong. But just like when I used to play with Lulu, them and everybody, and because remember, you know, them already don't like Jamaican people because them say we always do this, we win, we think we're better than them. So he's a plant. You don't realize him one plant. Like, why is he in the Jamaica? Why not going to the Trinidadian ranking? Why not going to want different ranking? Why not going to Canadian ranking? Why not going to the English ranking?
Because he knows that Jamaica not done, and if he say, look here, let me show you, say them a fool. Them a fool. Make we take them down. Yeah?
Exactly.
The whole of them should have come together and lick out the boy teeth and
then
you go back to Damian. It's like a football team. It's like a football team. You go up on the football team.
Exactly.
You have to play for your country.
Who said that? Thanks, Concord. Exactly.
You have to play with your country, and when you're done, not true me you vex. When 11 man have to go up on the football team side, whether you want vex or you don't want vex, you have to play against a side there. So when you see a side come in, you play against your side and then you go back over, go ignorant with this. So you gone over there, so go shoot for this sort of rough holy boy. But me see man about to take them, blame them alone and take them himself. Blame them, you know, come down.
I do not understand why you don't play, well, and I talk about all them bad men and their hate. Bad because you have people like bad man, Jamaica and everything. So
I show them and I show Jamaica or them bad man. I see them say they see their neighbor house catch a fire here and two of them house space and for one. Hear them, yes, making house burn down like for them now go burn down too.
But I don't understand when it comes to that.
You see, Nicky Bada, you're with him saying Jamaican is bad man, and that him use, like him observe and study the Jamaican rankers and see that him can go in and infiltrate
the Jamaican rankers.
Because him say all the rankers are against each other. Instead of what them ready at each other.
And them like sweets and them like lions. So I'm gonna show them one lion and then everybody imagine it wasn't. It was like a Caribbean versus Blamdem and Jamaica. It was like they was trying to prove a point. And whether we want to admit it yes or no, they was trying to prove a point. All of the rest of Caribbean people them go over, they go shoot things. They never realize that.
I know. It was Jamaica. That's what I was about to say. Like when he be like, "Oh, drop your flag!" Like every freaking flag in the Caribbean
exactly was over there.
Yeah, it was in his comments, so I definitely seen it. But
they were proving a point. That's my point exactly. They were proving a point. Yes, I blame them, but when you look at it, when I watched that match, it was never about Blamdem and Damian. It was about Damian taking down the Jamaican rappers.
You have more Jamaican popular. You have more Jamaican popular ranker more than anything else. The whole of them will hate Blamdem go shoot the suit.
Because let me tell you something with the Jamaican ranking is more.
And then one of them, you have a whole heap of them, you have World Dog, Swissley, everything. Rosealee, what's your name, man? Rosealee, you know Rosealee got the on Blamdem side. Everybody went out with him, same so with Jayden.
Yeah, that's why he used the flags. They were proving a point, but a lot of us missed the point because we don't like Blamdem or we don't like Jayden or we don't like this point for whatever reason. That's why we not see what really happened.
You can't be a star. We're not always weak.
We not see what happened because we don't like one of them for whatever reason. We don't like Jayden. We don't like Blamdem. We don't like that one for whatever reason.
You can't see your country.
So you prefer stranger to win more than one of your own people. You prefer and it goes on and it goes and it goes along with everybody.
Jamaica. And football come and play against Jamaica and Jamaican. And the Jamaica Prime Minister a jump for the side when I come from Jamaica. The Jamaica people them, wait a one side a player when your side drop out. When your side drop out, then you go for that side then. But a one side a play, no matter to the dying ground, you fight for your side to the side too.
But why me never start to blame them too? Me tell you why me never start to blame them too. Me tell you why me never start for him too. You remember one time Jayden and all and gift to them fall out and when they run go over blame them. So you go because you don't realize.
No, but with a better, it best for them run from a Jamaican to a Jamaican. That
I understand that too, but Blamdem did that. You remember Blamdem and Jayden did play too, and the whole thing did happen. You remember? So we can understand when Jayden was said that. But at the same time, we need to look at the bigger picture. We need
to get back the Jamaican to stand up for Jamaican. It gone. A Jamaican alone missing not stand up against them one another. Them alone in the whole entire world. Me say same thing when election come for the US, every one of the rank and everybody want Ivan to go home. I mean I tell you say they did go vote like a Ivan right now them Batty and them family and everybody in a hot water and fire but they sorry they go vote for Trump. They are so sorry.
Okay.
And I think one person that go come home. No man I hold on well I same thing with Damian you know. Damian take up everything and go on in your country. And left them out here. Damian, no stop creep Damian. Creep up everything and go on. Not damn old leader.
What's up, Boom Blast? Boom Blast on me. What you have to say, Boom Blast?
Damn old mascot, you know. Rain and fall down and go tell me now lock up the part of zinc. They make you wet up like it was now go full of water and run over in a year one. Eh?
People, this is not the first time I go tell you, say, enough of these people from other islands, them don't like Jamaicans. You see me I say? But you have some others who really love Jamaicans. You see me I say? Especially the woman them most of the time. You see me? Yeah man. But enough of the man them don't like Jamaicans. I see a way I know some Guyanese youth, you know. When me used to do this island I walk on something, you know. Me no do man them nothing, you know. But me always clean and a par and something and them work I see in place. So me have on one all-star shoes, you know. You know what I mean? You know, Converse and them something. If man them a try trouble me say, idiot shoes me have on and for them people, a Guyana, a cane them cut in at the shoes them. You see me? Me I say I want to them a youth them don't know the history of Converse. We don't wear it because it's cheap. We wear it because of the history. You know what I mean? And it's a very popular shows. Me never know say the man them a wait name the bad mind with me people. You see me? And I try to talk down for me. You see after that I be a clown, me clown them everywhere me see them, me clown them. You see me I say? Everywhere me see them, me clown them, cause guess what? The boy them are the same clothes me see them in everywhere me see them. You see me I say? Same clothes. So me clown them every time me see them. You see me? But me I go tell you no say the Guyanese girl them they love Jamaican. You see me I say? Me did I go tell you a story but me not bother. But yeah, so enough of them youth yeah, them not like Jamaicans from other islands, but me I tell you say enough of them love us. You want them wanna like we just because of we influence and how we move. And because the woman them love we from them island, them don't like we. This youth here you know, me don't know if like I like him don't like Jamaicans or him love Jamaican. You see me I say it can be that him love Jamaicans, you know. But you see cool him more while. Me can't too trust them more while, you know, people. Me not lie, you know. Especially the man them, the woman them, especially the Guyanese school them. Me trust them cause them quick fit, you know what I mean? A Jamaican cause them love Jamaican man, but sometimes them cool people yeah, them sneaking. You see me? And we as Jamaicans, as black people most of the time we welcome people and know say them have some ulterior motive. You know what I mean? Me don't know if this youth yeah, want upon the Jamaican ranking because the Jamaican ranking more festive and him get more challenge when him up on a Jamaican ranking and him just want in at the mix like that, or him see an opportunity where him can clone out some Jamaicans and make Jamaicans look small and you know what I mean. But me just feel say still, you know what I mean, him love Jamaicans and him just want in at the mix. But me know what I think with people.
Black is trying to talk.
It now go full of water run over in a year one. Stick to the country, man.
You see, one night, yeah, him and Jayden, they are number in the one, Jayden the two, our next you, the three. You ever know, say, boy, him a come off. You ever know, say, Jayden come off too. I like him one, say, him want come off. Figure Jayden the number one. Jayden like come off too. Jayden have sense, you know? When you believe Jayden have sense, Jayden see everything we do. But Jayden just go and play the fool.
You think Jayden Supermo do me know what like from the night with me know watch Jayden play no match from a night there.
Yeah man, Jayden need the number two must a Thursday night one them night there and him the number one. But him say him no want it. He might come off. Jayden come off to one DJ youth where they are three and him get number one. Time say him wake up and see say the youth pass Jayden, say him finish shoot for the youth. And the youth the number one. But Jayden, see what I do? Sometimes we sit down and believe Jayden I eat that you know. Jayden I eat that you know.
But that one bigger than Jayden still, you know.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Yeah, this that whole thing is bigger than Jayden.
Exactly. Because he's
bigger than Jayden because it just sad say we have somebody because right now me not feel better if Rosealee they are number one more than Damian. Me I tell you that.
Why? You know why Jayden pick up female there? Because the whole of the rank of them was against Jayden getting number one. So that's why
Jayden would be is to be on Damian's side because he see that the Jamaican supporters them like him. If he saw just like what lawyers saying, if we were against Damian being in the Jamaican
Jayden too. Anything they make him stay. I'm gonna put him there, make him stay.
Make him right.
So I understand where he's coming from with that. You understand? Yeah. Because remember, I was the one I do it and all that, and then no. We not put him there and he might take it over and now we don't have a problem. Why we never have a problem when the steamer come in?
And the get-go.
from the get-go. But the moment him take me down now, and according to no quote unquote, him take me down, and now we don't start have a problem with him. Why? We never realize that him
Jesus. Hello. And I'm Guyanese, yes. I can blood clot said that God Damian can't beat me. Right in Guyana, he can't do nothing. I'll kick you in your face.
Hear there. Him say them is crabbing a barrel. So what must about we? So why won't come over here so with we? Guys, me don't know, but you know, send a request and come tell me the opinion.
Well, I said, what cartoon, like, I'm more cartoon on that about Messi and the football over there. And when you come on to football, you know, we can't blame the people, you know, because we can't Manchester United, you know. And Manchester United play against any side from Jamaica, Manchester United, yeah. But if England play against, if America, me live America, if America play against Jamaica, Jamaica may carry. But when you come on to country and club football and different football, but if you don't understand football, you're not going to understand. You're not going to understand it.
Yeah, everybody have their favorite club. Everybody have their favorite club. That's
Messi club and
that was a club football. I don't think that was a country. That was a club.
No, that's for the country football.
That's different, yeah.
A club football. And nobody at Jamaica don't even carry Cavalier like that. Messi have thousands of fans that carry Inter Miami. So that's
everybody have them. Everybody have them. And the thing with Messi too, Messi have a following. So whatever team Messi never play. In fact, they move with him.
We can't blame who are carry.
Who say we are crablos? I would say that Miss exclusive. Type of foolishness now. Who said that? No stop being money, but with that.
Yeah, look, anybody could be a millionaire guy. All you need is $5,000 US.
Yeah, Damian said that. When him said that, no, but listen, man, listen, you have to send me that something the way he said that.
No, you have to look at sneak this when you come with all the time. You have to look
He's passive aggressive.
That's what I said. That's what I said, Shay.
Black Africa sell out black people to the white man, you know.
And thank you for saying that.
Black people Africa sell out black people to the white man. And the white people are black people of Africa. Never come over here.
Tell them no, never forget. This is why when they talk about they want reparations, why you want reparations from the government? Africa did fair give black people reparations. The whites, the Europeans came to Africa and them sister una slave to each other. So they said, we could do the same over here.
A long time it's a
Samosa days all the way come up.
You know that land push white man over there push thousands of miles. See what happened, right? Like they had all these black Jamaica rankers, right? Just like Africa, all these black tribes, right? And you know, the white man came, Damian came, and he's like, oh, we can do this for y'all. We can get rid of your opponent, you know? All you gotta do is get, and that's what happened. They set out one for Damian. That's what happened, and it took him. And y'all, so these people they just let anybody just come and do what they want. Like if you're in America, dream and then take you white man come and sell you a black breed of them dream and then take you and sell it. Because there's no way no black or white man.
Exactly, Katie. You see that to Katie? Him disrespect Putus, and because him knows the Putus, them love licky. Because if him call me a monkey, I don't even want to tap on my screen from him. Move from yourself. You move from yourself with you. You want to come disrespect me and me want something from you? It's so crazy, man.
Alright, my people, so I'm going to share some little bit of things about Guyana when maybe not found the door now. You see me, did have a couple Guyanese friends. You see me, coolie Guyanese friend and nigga Guyanese friend. Seen, and as me tell you now, two of them try for this me. Them two there was some nigga. You see it. When me get to understand from some of the Guyanese them, even the coolie one them will tell me, say, like, over Guyana, coolie and nigga not really par like that. You see me, I say the coolie them don't like the nigga them. Them don't like the black Guyanese them. You understand? And them run off Guyana, the coolie them. Them walk with them tail up in their ear. You see me? So if them have that mentality there in a Guyana, you feel like say them are gonna come out in the world and feel like say them and any nigger are equal. No. Them not go think them and any black man at all is equal. So all you see that youth are play with Dona them and everybody, him not think him equal with them. notice how him talk when him a talk to them some of the time. You know what I mean? Just notice other mentality there. But here I go on my people. Me no know, me not go judge him. You see me, because as me say, him can love the culture because you have persons who love the culture. Remember, you know, you see Guyana, every minute two or more dancehall artists that Guyana, you know, that perform at shows, you know. You see me, so them love maybe the artists, them love, as me say them, some of them love Jamaica and some of them no don't. But more to tell me your opinion in the comment section. If you don't feel like say boy, you might use the Jamaicans them, although you know what I mean, everybody get used, especially when money involved. You understand? So me never pray if there is a problem, because this is TikTok and everybody is entitled to go wherever they want to go. From whichever ranking. All them do team up as Jamaicans and take him down. You know what I mean? So let me know one thing. And enough of the time people, the reason why people can come in and conquer Jamaica is because we are not we bad mind against each other. You understand? So we prefer to push an outside person than a person where we know. That go enough of the time. See, so that's why them easy to conquer we. So make watch some more.
He's not only taking on the rankers, he have celebrities too that he's brainwashed so much that they want to post out their stuff, so they think that he's the way to go. So he's controlling so many people with no common sense, and they don't even see it. Anyways, let them try
I don't even want to highlight skin. I don't even want a lighter skin black person call me a monkey, much less one mixed race. You're crazy.
Let me tell y'all something. You think Damian going to call any black person a monkey? He would get dragged through the street. I don't know what y'all be talking about, but Damian can't control Guyana. Damian somebody?
Nothing me and your friend, me not like call me nigga. Make sure you don't call me up, but me I don't know your nigga, man. Just call me by my name or don't call me. So every time me check them, me say don't call me no nigga. Don't call me by my name. Call your friend them who don't grow up with that. We don't use that term then at Jamaica. So don't call me no nigga. When me tell them so much as he call me monkey, I fight that.
Yeah, Daily Insights is right. He give them sweets. He be sending them gifts now here and there. Mr. Literally is the man that I beg him gifts. Like, they beg him gifts. And I'm just like, what the hell is going on here? I be a jelly back man around, cause so I mean, they're gonna sell out. They're gonna team up with him and take down whatever. They're gonna do it. Cause all of them back weak.
How they sell on this app? A lot of them, all them 6 TV.
I mean, I know them. Yeah, they all be on the spectrum for me. Them all them act like them on the spectrum.
And they don't play.
Not the spectrum.
You know the Damian?
If you notice, like the people them wear rankers, the one of them they are literally they rank. It's either them in the spectrum or them they right on the line. Like the one them a little bit special to me. So
spectrum.
Yeah, man.
All of them.
Occupational therapy, like, ABA.
Yeah, man, them have something. The one them touch.
All of them. That's what I'm saying. I've like, yo, all these them look like somebody. A man done touch all of them. I don't even care what somebody.
No, man, for real. Them look on Doja like him. The way he be. I don't know.
I think that's how he entertains.
Doja just a madman. Doja just a madman. I think he got touched.
No, Doja will be tolerated over here. Do not call Doja over here.
That's why he was a madman and he looked like he got touched.
Do not. Stop.
I'm definitely special.
Do not. Okay, let's continue. We don't want to talk about Damian. We are talking about Richard Dodia.
No, I'm just saying that they all a little bit, so they're gonna easy to sell out.
No. Sorry, I'm a text message. Me a scream out. Oh my God! I swear. Guys, but let's just. I have a question too. Like, all right, Jigo, you have something to say before we move on?
Yeah, I'll play a devil's advocate.
Okay, go ahead.
Conversation, certain parts where when Damian just come from the app, I did have a problem with the condescending tone. I use the right word. It was very condescending, and I had a problem with it. The reason why I had a problem with it because, as Buck know, there's a racial divide in Guyana between blacks and Indian, right? But it does not exist like that in Jamaica. We have to be, we have to be realistic about that. So yeah, Buck, if Damian call a black person a monkey in a Guyana, we know what happened. I mean, I've dated a Guyanese Indian before, so we know what it's like. We know how high the prejudice is, right?
Correct.
But that's not the case in Jamaica. There's a lot of intermarriage, right? There's a lot of blending in Jamaica compared to a Guyana. So Damian come now, and I think him realize, say, look here, him can play loose with the with Jamaican within the Jamaican
use them so easy.
Right. Than if in that play. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if that's how him behave with a black Guyanese. But him realize in Jamaica, everybody diss everybody. All right. So him come, and I think him got comfortable.
Too comfortable.
Exactly.
Him got a bit too comfortable. But
I live in America. I live in America, and there are certain words you're just not used to black people. I don't care.
You and I live in America, and we know run certain joke in America. You understand me? I say we know that because after a while you become very sensitive. You just don't, certain this way we still go on in Jamaica. Even last night we did put the pass through put us live. I'm going to see a youth at this year. I'm going to start shooting down the youth for that. You understand me? I said, but I know the American sensitivity part of me why I never like. You understand me? I said, I'm going to use a youth, it's a black man, and I'm call him black, this black ugly guy. I just get, it was so offensive. I start shooting down the youth.
Yeah.
You understand me? I said, so, but I just saw it, but again.
Alright, my people, I don't know how to feel about this situation. Yes, so I say because TikTok is not even a real place. You know what I mean? So we can't do all that up to nothing and feel like say we own no way, and you know what I mean, and we can push anybody out of it. And sometimes we as black people, we too welcoming and love like taking people, and you see me from them come and say, yo, some love your culture, automatically we just praise them because them are praise. We say them love the culture and we welcome them, and I know say some of them have some ulterior motives. You understand what I say? But this TikTok thing, I know nothing for work up over still. You see me? But this youth here, it look like say him come make an impact on TikTok still, and since him come link up with these Jamaicans, is like him find a place for himself, and him a do him thing, and him a surpass enough of them because him have a big team. So it's like automatically some of them kind of look up to him. And for him a disrespect the people, them man call man monkey and them shit there. Me I try telling them say that are them mentality in a Guyana because the Indian them, the coolie them don't like, the blacks. And you hear TikTok when they say it a while ago. There's a divide in a Guyana when it come to that. So then we come out a different country, we have black people, and you understand, just try to do the same thing with them do a Guyana because them not have you as them equal as black people. So them are gonna look down upon you at all times. You understand me? But I want to tell me one thing still.
I understand that's how we Jamaicans behave towards each other, whereas that is it's a cardinal sin in a Guyana. So Exactly. No, but I mean, we know what countries they get violent, right? You have political violence.
Even
right?
actually that too. Even actually that too.
Right.
Trinidad and Guyana have a big racial divide when it comes to blacks and Indians.
Exactly. And that's because them, the Indian population in those countries is probably what, about half?
Half and half, yeah.
Right. In Jamaica, we dominate. Black people dominate the Indians. You understand me? I say? As a matter of fact, I would even say it's the reverse. We prejudice against Indians in Jamaica. Right?
What happened to Jigo? You see, like, remember one time, somebody had, my husband a black American, right? And somebody said, oh, the girl is brown and nice. See? And my husband said, why you have to say that? Why can't that's a beautiful woman? Why you have to say them like... Listen, my husband said that's very offensive. What do you mean brown?
Very offensive. Very offensive, yeah. I was
Even as Jamaicans, we say it. And we think, but it's very offensive. Oh, are you saying she's nice for a black girlie? What do you mean by she's nice for a black girl? So what are you trying to say? Black people are nice?
Yeah, it's very offensive, and I want to tell you, as much as I support Jayden and them do them, I have a problem with the bleaching too, and me look like
I don't like it.
I have a problem with it.
I don't like it, but that's your personal choice. That's on you, but I don't like it.
No. I said I have a problem with it. I really seriously have a problem with it. But again, the young youth them. But again, back to the Damian thing. So I understand why I say. Yeah, in a Guyana that divided there, and we understand the political divide. In a Jamaica, it's actually reversed. We actually prejudice against Indians. You understand me? I say cool people them. We're so prejudiced against them.
How Guyana run right now is whoever colors in the presidency. That's when the people talk up, and that's who controls the place. So if an Indian person's in power, the Indians talk a lot. People still get buried,
right.
And all that.
I understand. So the Damian thing, Damian just need to know. I hope we have a conversation and realize that if you want to mix with way, you have to leave easy for the condescending thing, because especially people like us who understand where we're going in Guyana, we find it very offensive because they're coming like you have this superiority complex amongst you. You understand me? I say you come and you just feel say you're better than black people, and you rub people like us wrong. You understand me? I say them just need to just build out for that.
Like in America, ain't no Caucasian person gonna come out here and call you the N-word because they know they get beat down in the streets.
Exactly.
Like just in Guyana, ain't no Indian person gonna come out and say, "Oh, you black monkey." Are you crazy? Are you crazy? That would be the last words you say. So I don't understand. Like you said, in Jamaica, they diss anybody, and I know that. But for you to allow somebody else to come and diss you like that, it's really retarded. Ignorance.
Right. The ignorance among the black TikTokers in Jamaica, the Jamaican TikTokers, right, it's on display because lots of them don't really know what's going on in Guyana. They know them don't pay attention to those things. I'm pretty sure if they did, they probably would have found a lot of things for themselves offensive. You know?
That's why you don't hang around us, because we know the BS he's talking. We don't play with that. He's not gonna come. That's why you don't like. He's like, I don't like Guyanese because they know they're bad mind. Sir, nobody bad mind you. Everybody in Guyana got what they got. Nobody bad mind you. Sir, what do you do all day, sir?
Yeah, I remember.
Damian, I didn't even know who you were. I don't even know who you were. I don't even know.
So why they make it seem like he was some famous person in Guyana? They say.
No, I guess he used to make some little stupid videos back then, but whatever. But even that wasn't no popular thing with him. Nobody know that man. Unless you're part of the real Guyanese people that who knows everybody. Damian is not no big Guyanese.
I thought he was fake. I'm confused. I thought he was.
I'm very confused. I thought he said that.
I thought he was very
Somebody said he's a doctor or something like that.
Damian wasn't famous nowhere. I don't know what they're talking about.
And then wasn't he like a big
famous? So was he like a big YouTuber?
TikTok made him really famous. TikTok made him famous. That's it.
But I thought they said he was a big Guyanese YouTuber, and he's like some type of doctor.
He used to do YouTube, but it wasn't no big. It wasn't a big thing. He has no big nothing. TikTok is where he got his real buzz from. And anybody who said otherwise, tell them I said go suck the mother. Anyways, I don't care.
Have some manners.
I'm sorry. Tell him go and kiss his mama. Jesus. How you doing?
But yeah, you mentioned earlier on about the coins. If you don't mind, me just mention something about.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
So, people mentioned that night he was playing with
Amira gave me the biggest informer.
You never tell a doctor that. I learned that from my first round. Because when you come out back, you're not go happy with it. You go in there, you tell them, say, don't give me no hipping and don't give me no that. I know you come out here, torment girl will do them body. You can't torment girl will do them body. Bonnie, when we do my Kingston at 6. The first time I do my body at 6 years ago. When we go in there, go tell the people, them say, don't do too much of this and don't do too much of that.
Let me tell you this, man. A long time Ivan want body here. Long time. Remember, you know, my people. Candy. I think even Ivan come out and said she used to want Candy big body where Candy have. You see me I say? Cause even in some competition where Candy would have win over Ivan. Ivan used to cuss and say if she did have the body where Candy have, you know what I mean? And this and that about the competitions where she used to join. I remember say I saw Ivan used to make her money. You know what I mean? And now she get the opportunity to do her body. Boy, Ivan is just, me telling you something, man. You see when people are say, hey, Ivan is changed from, you know how much time Ivan is changed already? You see me, Ivan is just who she is, and she go cool down some of the time. Well, sometimes she go just turn up the thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, and at that she do grow on more while and just mischievously mess with some people more while, and it turn out in what go on right now. You see me, because she and Kay and she and Candy are go at it for the same thing. You see me? Let me know what I think we out somewhere.
And when we come out, we not please. Enough time when I see people go back 3, 4, 5 times, and because we are trying to play it close. You see me? You're going there and you play it close and you eat yourself. You want to get up, can't wait till the 6 months done for go back. There's no way. Me tell you how we know say you're fascinated. First of all, you want to suck my pussy. Vani wants to suck and eat out all of my clit and come them out of my hole. Vani want, nobody can convince me different. Nobody can tell me different. Vani want. Vani there are 2 things. Vani want to eat out my pussy. Or Vani have an obsession with me. And it's fine, girl, but I now make you eat my pussy because you're going to come back, come talk. I'm going to can't bother with them style. You see me? Me da give you one eating of Vani. So I go Jayden walk and beg her eat. Me da give you eat. When you go come back, come talk. I'm can't bother. And me I go want squirt in your face. You can't take that. Me don't know. You're freak still. So anything will work for you. I'm going to do one enough. I'm going to drink me anything. I want me. I'm going to make me go drink this one. You're not drinking more for that. So hear me I say no. What do you when you argument with she and Candy? I see our big pussy people them. Vani, all of your people them will support your pussy big and empty like your own. Because the normal people support Vani, you know. And hater, you see every girl with hater girl support Vani. Vani bring the most hate to the app. Vani bring the most bad mind to the app. Vani are the type of somebody who you see she do something you're happy for her and 5, 4, 3, 2 when you want to tell her go suck her. What do you with Vani buy her car? See Crystal, I say Jamaica them, I say bad to bad, me not like a girl about this festival look good. Benz the girl go rare. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, me hate her all over again. You not give nobody no time for second, not no good way you do for yourself in a them brain and say, even behind closed door, this nobody know, this nobody what she do. And we can't hate you for your accomplishment, because both you hate girl when them accomplish things. And we know say you come from far. We know say you was at Tommy. We know say Javelin the fucking burger. And we know say one of artists rock. We know say your pussy did stink up enhance. We know all of that. So when we see you grow from all of this pussy problem, from you was a tender age to now, we have to just proud of the little nice things that we see you do for yourself. You understand? In a take a little bit of girl for come on the internet come to admit to them pussy stink, you know. You did that. From this, so we know so you don't have no blood shame. bad. You did that, and that's a nastiness, Barney. So a long time we know say your germs bag, shit out, and everything that's bad. A long time the whole we know this. Remember say, me I tell you something. You make hate consume you because so much people hate you, and you just mentally tell yourself you're going to just hate back the world. Girl, I know the whole world hate you. Come if you be true to myself. Me not a reason for that hate you. I just tormented and me not like no girl will trouble me. I just not that fact. Me don't have a reason for hate you. Me not have a reason for hate you, Barney. To me, you're not even an ugly girl, but your favorite plastic face, something with them put your favorite plastic face, your blood. You see that plastic face filter when the girl put you up and say, oh, this favor? Barney, God believe, G.O.D., God, let me drink. Your favorite blood plastic face, filter, your Jamaica, say, what on, I need a next cup, what on?
You're not drink no more now. I have to come back home.
Yeah, your favorite someone for sure. I'm Vanny. Stay one. You don't make body my head up. You are them type again. You don't even care if you put it up. You see all of them look boy, them see all look afar. The whole of them look body up. All of them look by. Vanny, there is no way. You for me the internet sensation and not Jamaican man now, are you? Oh, just make it happen. And you're not there with no Yankee boy will make sense. I always have like a gutter at pussy hole. Make it make sense. And you're not an ugly girl. Me know your pussy on the bottom. I know your pussy no good, you know. I'm understand say you have to fuck some little boy when I know about pussy. You have to fuck the insecure boy them when I know about pussy. So little Yankee boy, when Jamaican girl put blood clot fuck for Yankee boy, them steer and fear them a go. You nah make no sense. You can't cook, you can't do nothing, and you can't fuck. You nah make no sense at all. You walk and act out your pussy from your young. Build back your pussy, Vanny. Build back your pussy. I'm firing your blood clot there. Go figure out how to build back your pussy. Nobody not even staying at the walls of your pussy. You have to find some immature pussy when I know nothing about blood clot pussy for walk out. So me could I get up and blood clot argue with you? NSA, no.
No.
If sons no go, sons no blood clot. I want my drink me and drink. I want my crystal. I want me. You know, I go sleep last night. Rejuvenate. You see when you go to back the next surgery where you kill up yourself for go do, ask the people them how do I rejuvenate your pussy.
Yeah, like Trump sign
Bumper clot. Trump sign the paper and she afraid. Couldn't blood clot argue Vanny today when me in my clean clothes. I can't give argue with body when me there on my vacation. Me have to drink something for come for your girl. Me can't do it sober no more. Me can't cuss Ivan is sober no more. To all Ivan just troubled no blood clot. Ivan, you know some things that your father did in front of you. Some mentally, you know see your rest that brings? Your words, even bring fight blood clot man with mature. And you can't find no man no match. You can bring us a right and bring make sure you go find a blood clot boy when us a right with her. And you still can't find nobody? You nah make no sense. You nah make no sense. Cause for your secret, your boy, none of them not right to them head. I mean, I love it for them. I love it. And you can't find nobody. Nobody at all. Oh, we are closest thing where you ever could have find to be a man. I always still run down. What do you always, alright, your cousin say mind man. Vanny, bad to bad. No if I get them one mind man like myself, like when you say I be a man, my mind. When mind man, I get my receipt, you know. Prudence, sorry. When mind man, I will get my receipt. Yeah, only girl with mind man and the man still not stay. Everybody knows say man love sweet. Man love sweet. You say mind man, you say you mind man and you're mind man, them not stay. But to bad, they get my receipt because pussy when you have to own me, you know, a blood clot boy I get my things. Pussy you have to own me. You have to make the girl them know so behind me them have to fuck. You have to hide and fuck the girl them and them have to hide and fuck you. That now I'm to your body, the boy that doesn't feel clean. We're not even here about that girl at torment you. How we could have stayed long when always is him reading or read somebody else right away. But it's something mentally and physically and emotionally wrong with your pussy. I'm a Jamaican, say, well, build back himself. Yesterday now, when you over your life a class and I bring me done, I want thing me I go give you now. I want thing me I go give you. You talking clear, so you never show me and you want me come back for you. But you like that ball game, yeah. You know over there, me think you like when me call your name. When you see some months.
Hey, at the wrong time, it look like Ivany got trouble K to blood clot, cause right now K up on a roll with people, K deal with Ivany, a waste star, Jano. But then I got hear what Ivany have to say about her still, because she show Ivany show some of her picture them with some bust up and something on her. That's why people, sometimes you see this bleaching thing, I don't feel everybody. Because it depends upon your skin, it will react differently, and sometimes the type of bleaching what you use. You know what I mean? So just have that in mind, people. And whatever you try to achieve by bleaching or maybe do your body, me don't feel like say everybody will do them body or bleach and then way they are gonna really satisfy at the end of the day. I feel like say every minute them even look on a part on them body and say, oh, they want to do this, they want to do that. Maybe even the implants them what them get when them do them surgery, them even want to take them out and something. You know what I mean? But you know what I mean, now the era where people are do all different type of things, you know what I mean, to try enhance their beauty and them appeal. So I guess we have to just know say, oh, these are the new days, you know what I mean, and accept a woman for who she is. But me personally, my people, me don't know if mother there with a woman will do her body and a woman will bleach, because you see at the end of the day, like the bleaching thing, it will go ugly up your skin after a while. You see me? And then the body doing, you go always find something what you want to do to your body. You know what I mean? But to each his own still. You know what I mean? Some woman just want to look at self-confidence and them get it through that. So let me know anything.
That person came and calling him. You coming like some boy and girl in a relationship, and you say, oh, the blood clot can't remember me. I don't like this. I go spark something more. Why do you don't want your girl? You like me. I know you like me. I don't want you. Not even my pussy me no want you. So I rather give you a girl a different. No, I rather want girl come give me. Not you. Not you. Not you. You go stretch out my clit. I'm not the pan blood clot that. You understand? Because you tell yourself, say, it's a wild kid you call your name and you miss me. You don't see me on the app, so you miss me. You gotta tell me, say, I pop up on your For You page. If I pop up on your For You page, me couldn't be so invested. Boy, you me go take down your picture them and all of that. Let me tell you something. You go cool up a vanity now. You see that internet here? That internet here where you lie to yourself and blood clot hide your flaws them. When this side say my body full of cellulite, I mean I tell my people they about my cellulite body. Till them tell me which part we go treat my cellulite. You see, if me the blood clot come out and put out my picture then, and I filter out my stretch mark, only that say me fear. If me the filter out my cellulite out of my body, only that say me not filter them out of blood clot. Cause so like how body fuck and the whole our pussy done out, me have my stretch mark and boy still a living in my hole. And me have I want to me can tell about man no business about blood clot stretch mark. The boy them just want to know so the pussy working. I used to know my pussy working. Sometimes it work to blood clot much if you ask me. No real man no care about stretch mark. No real man no care about blood clot cellulite in your body or your leg or who have lump from who no have blood clot lump. Cause one thing I can tell you, the boy them no care about stretch mark and this. The boy them just want to know so when them woman they on the road, them woman stay good no blood clot. And when them a fucking your all right. Body your all wrong, your all get a wrong bang no blood clot. Cause nobody not stay in it. You have a uppity blood clot pussy. Your pussy up all about like bullfrog no blood clot. Cause we never see you keep nobody for 2 blood clot long. My pussy could not freak like bullfrog. So your pussy flirty and fucking a blood clot. You know see all on run me out and tell me say no blood clot man no want me. I still one man a fuck me. All of them a fuck down the world. I him still in a blood clot pussy. Cause guess what now? And me decide who going out. You know decide who going a blood clot for you. Everybody make run in and run out in a blood clot. You know see you fuck $1 million and 3 earring get. And for your fuck blood clot Javalani we not hear about blood clot in. So you top girl you make a boy fuck you for KFC and burger. Eh? You know see for your run go find a enhance now see your face none a blood clot all in bus. Big pussy Barney, big old pussy Barney. Bad Barney go skin out the hole and make the wall will look up in there. Cause we don't need a blood clot flashlight. We can see up in there. Your mind man, you have to turn to Yankee. You're the only Jamaican blood clot girl must turn to Yankee. I remember say you're not an itty-tighty, you're not a bougie girl, you're a get the fuck out. You's a get the fuck out. Like my blood clot self, yeah. The only thing no bag boy can pipe for me. Cause me a fuck for real. My fuck boy I make boy tame and blood clots here. You understand? In the moment, cause them the tame after once them broke. Van me know a boy never shed a tear under your pussy. A boy never shed a tear and grab you up. Van a boy never tell you say I'm gonna shoot you, you have to run or go back a fire if you go fuck on him. Me I tell you the truth, girl. You don't know the things them. The boy not talk to you when you have fuck. That's why you don't have the blood clot home training. You see a boy I talk to you when you are fuck boy. You see a boy that whisper, I be a good in there suck. I be a nyamins no go on with. So I'm not gonna ever get no real fuck. And when a boy bust you up on your back pan a little fuck, you come tell the world. You come every time we hear you talk about fuck, I eat pussy, eat bottom, eat this. It's a eating fuck you have. It's a eater real fuck you have. You no fuck for true. No would not stay in your hole. Or really go. Every time we hear you talk about fuck, who eat this one, who no suck this and eat. A real fuck we are dealing with. The pussy want fuck out. That's how we deal with some boy we can fuck out to hole. You need a blood clot, big cocky man. You need one 12-inch wide in your hole. Cause every cocky way you get now fit. I'm gonna drink my blood clot and say I wanna start your fat.
Remember you so much for that.
Eh? You need a 12-inch wide in your hole. You see what the right dog have a tape measure and him say no me not to that's you want. But you want wide width. Some have a team here, you know. I'm going to tell the boy them this on TikTok. All I want to have the 12-inch wide link Barney. Them look a regular size and 8-inch and 7-inch and 6-inch with now blood clot Barney. Barney now getting a blood clot for that's why she walk and torment people. So I tap up my blood clot screen because me done and just go on the road go on and beer things. I don't have a big blood clot cocky. I don't know how to fuck out Barney. Barney got me I tell you, me I go look out for you this morning, can nobody not do it. Anytime when you see a woman big and tormented, so because she now come Barney not coming, Barney more to sorry. Sucking up the pussy alone now go make it work. You need one boy to sink your fingernail in her back. You need your foot there to stretch back around this so. Barney, you need to make the boy stand up and you give him a back as they just a wine so. But you not gonna feel them something because your pussy not a grip. Your pussy coming like a boaz. Me don't understand your pussy. You have pussy problem in a girl you just a text it from people, you know. You can't make everybody out here cuss about. I sure you not get no cocky now fitting in your hole the right way. This is
Alright, my people, so we're gonna watch some more and then we're gonna go over Ivany and what you Ivany say about K. You know what I mean? Boy, my people, Ivany shouldn't go mess with K blood clot, that's all me know. You see me? Because K attack, you know. K attack, Jaja. Boy, we don't know my people, yo. It's just, yo, me feel like saying enough of these people, especially if Ivany. No, me can't say Ivan. Would I say like people like Ivan them I do it for like followers and views. Yeah, that natural when it come to argument with people, but Ivan I do them something here before TikTok. You know what I mean? But maybe I even view she look when she do it too, because the more views she get, the more people give her promotion and the more things she, you know what I mean, more followers she get and all them something. So maybe at that Ivany I use to stay relevant, yeah man. So upon a level my people, I can't knock the hustle. You know what I mean, to each his own, make you watch some more.
It's you, Barney. This is you. So Barney Olia, this is you. Come to Barney Fish Face, a foreigner there. A foreigner surge, go tighten up your hole, and then blood clot to be able to come out. No, Jesus, you know I'm a drink. Ice band, good enough. Ice band, blood, I feel through that, you know. That's why I'm so cute and nice, you know. That's why I so cute and nice, cause sealing, you don't feel no pain. I seal through that blood clot hole. He never have done it. When Kingston born a writer so sinking, and I said, Jesus Christ. So I don't know some own so tonight. And what is? I seal through that. That's something nice and healthy. But now have no blood clot body. You don't tell me. Listen, I move anything back.
Vanna deserve the time or it.
Me a drink and I want something for do. This is my party. No music now play. I'm need to do something with myself, Crystal, like crazy. You see me?
Come over from the road.
Later, she will say later, I lie. Yesterday when I have my nice clean clothes, I couldn't cuss you. I couldn't cuss you yesterday, Barney. I'm waiting today. Me could have, Barney, first of all, okay, hey, Crystal. First of all, I couldn't cuss you in my clean clothes because I didn't look too blood clot good yesterday. You know what I'm at, Barney? You want to live summer with life, you know, you want to live candy life, you want to live K life. Only somebody may not see you go for a cavi. Because you know why? Because your sister Cavi was a bad bitch a long time. I used to know say girl not trouble people. If you see, you would have secretly bad mind blood clot Cavi too. But you know say Cavi not trouble people, you don't know how for blood clot do it. You see me?
You want to
live in a Jada? Let me tell you something. Jada say heavy, you light. All you try Jada out your blood clot self in our work.
Watch out. Lean up. Why your neck have it chuckle up so when you can't take picture like one normal Ghana. You can't take picture like one normal decent somebody. You can't just stand up normal and just like whew, and breathe. Maybe I need to breathe, like breathe. Lord, I want to show this panel live. I'm afraid and I'm not sure because I didn't get your crosses and I know my page get take when. No, I'm not sure. She posting it and them not take down for her page. Alright. Watch this apart now. You need to go put on your faha. No, you need to go and put on your faha. Because it look like say your belly not have no side. Where side your belly there? Where the side of your belly? I saw you do surgery and your belly thick same way. Like you're supposed to have a little fine waist where them take your fat from. It look like them, I don't know because at the rate how your body look, it look like them suck the fat out of your bottom and put in your belly. So you don't have no waist. Them take your fat out of your bottom and put in your belly. So you don't have no curve right there, so you're just fat and broad, man. And then now, alright, watch Frankie, but you know, chop black. And can do office sister. Chop black. You can see every hole where the doctor go in to take the fat them. My God. Alright. Margaret, you need to go and put on your faha. You don't even press out the liquid out of your belly. Because no, I'm not going. No. Vani, follow him. No. Guys, I don't want TikTok to ban me because maybe TikTok might ban me if me a show. Me not show it. Yeah, she'll come for me for sure. I'm in trouble her still, you know. She ain't in trouble me. Internet, she never trouble me talking from no drunk or come no now come for me. I mean trouble her first. I don't really say trouble her. TikTok trouble she cause TikTok put her up on my For You page. I'm gonna block her with shadow over here. Hey, move, come out of my face there, man. I'm gonna pray for your body. Your body need whole heap of prayer. You know, say you have a powerful mouth. Pray before you go do surgery them. I watch girl, me not answer you, know, cause probably I'll cuss you and come cuss me, sir. Me not accept no. Go on my business. Turn on for Chris. That's it, girl. My girl, you could have be a pastor. You need to pray over you.
Alright, my people, so I love how Ivany admit the fact that she first got trouble with the woman, because you have some people who follow Ivany, you know, and when them know the truth, them not say it, you know, them are going to defend Ivany right through, you know. So I'm glad how she say, yo, as she got messed around with K first. And me tell you, you know, my people say, yo, we have some drunk, we have some dog SHIT on TikTok, you know. Look pan K as a big woman, you know. See, that's why I tell you, say the younger generation, they last, you know, and them don't even know how last they are, you know. Look how K across Ivany and listen what K say about Ivany's son Ice. Listen what K say about Ivany's son Ice. She could have easily dragged him in it and done him. And what you hear she say? There's something nice you hear she say about him. And them are people you want to forgive on the things. And them are people you have morals and standards. You understand? But them are, I tell them people, let me know what to think. What some more?
Your body. You need to prove your body. All wormhole, cigarette butt. A body are better than fear. Wormhole, cigarette butt. Cigarette. Yes. Body look better than fear. I mean, when I have nothing around the back, I do go like say me only go surgical lay down for pain. I have more stop me down here. She go back again, you know. I say she now stop till she look like Kitty. Not TikTok Kitty, Miss Kitty. Yanni Curvidal the man. Sure. Guys, I can't make trouble with no one living in Jamaica, because under the ruling of Donald Trump, anything is possible. I can't afford to have enemies right now. I can't. Yeah, because I heard that Andrew Olney said him have a welcoming and accepting everybody, but me say Andrew Olney is coming like from see my play. Jesus Christ, sometimes I wonder why mom have me in Jamaica. Honestly, me love my country, you know, but in times like this, you see the people that are running from your big sweet pepper nose, running from salvation down in Jamaica. And you really tell Trump, say we welcome them with our opening arms? So you really want somebody like me in your country now, I do have a black, I just run me around from the whole now.
Yesterday was my father-in-law birthday. Me, he and Parvati, we drank 4 bottles of puncheon. We curry a goat and we had a real good time. This morning when we get up, the goat living and the dog missing.
You nyamo me bati, bombo. You can't name bati, no? Nah, lie you. Mama! 2 donuts.
What's that bati?
When I eat out of my house. Hey, may I try ya so?
No rose wiper, but chat, 2 donuts. 2 donuts, chat.
Plug out the fan and plug it in like that. Plug out the fan.
2 donuts,
like that. Triple chat. Yeah. Triple chat. Come on, chat.
I will let chat, please.
Guys, we're gonna wait on the triple, please. You look 3 weird. Come on, no chat. Murder, I'm not chat, murder.
How did say them all let me Interstellar again?
Come on, no chat, boy, the chat don't power away. Boy.
Man, them how did say them all in Interstellar?
I said, me get one wheel a while ago, boy. Come on, no chat.
6 where? No chat.
No, we have no
chat.
Then I win on against Rose.
Get our money gone. Come on. Come up with speed. Thank you, my baby.
Come on, chat. Go get it first win.
JXK one come.
No.
One of the injection then. Thank you, Bobby. I come and inject myself. Come now, but I got friends and can inject myself. Yeah, make him get someone I can use and wipe out my belly.
Oh God.
I don't know.
If you leave, find a mind so team it, step up the screen.
In case I give one I can't wipe out my belly. Stop drawing the card and look up. So it's in the bag, it's in the something. Guys, maybe gonna slide.
Man, them don't make you win with dog, no.
Snapchat, now wait, my Snapchat. In the bag, something in the black sitting. It's for the injection.
Respect me, Jagger.
Thanks, chat.
Respect me, Jagger, respect. I got a Jagger, man. And big up both girl too. Big up unknown, plug out. Code matrix. Come on, my team.
We're going to come through that garbage, man.
Chat, we can't pass Rose. We can pass Rose now. We can pass Rose. She not that far enough. Doing up my team. Pinky, code. Believe me, Jagger then. First look. I can save up some glove stuff. Body.
Chanta! I'll put this in rubbish bin. Guys, we don't know we are paying bill. Yeah, because it's not boring. Put this in garbage bin. No, hold it like this.
Poor road, me team.
Poor road shot.
Code. Body.
Guys, we can use the time streak. I like it not now go on and such shot for me.
Chat reach 200,000 likes in a big up for tappers them. What we narrate you know? 14, that boy. Yo, the chip on my team. Me feel a Stella. Me feel a Stella.
Alright, my people, so we're gonna listen to some more Slime and Rosalie. I don't know what them link up and be disrespect, you know. You see me? So we'll listen to some more of that, then we'll share any story with Uno about the Obeah man, and then we're gonna end it, my people.
Good chat.
Chat, pass roads, chat, pass roads. Damian, you can pass roads in the one. Come on, Damian, you can pass roads. How much you pass her? Code, how much you pass her?
Guys, triple. We can get the money going.
4K, dog, for the 5.
I'm going to Santal.
Less than 10K to part.
Thank you so much, Lord, thank you.
Yeah, Rich.
Thank you so much, my baby. Guys, we want one more way to complete the live goal.
Youth. Believe me, dog.
Lord, if you send me 3 Galaxy, Lord, you catch a title gift of Galaxy. Guys, when I look at the title gift of Galaxy, the car gift, the kisses and the cap on outside of Forever Rosa. We'll buy some drinks and some water. Thank you so much, my baby.
Anyway, as I may tell you now, 3 hours we used to par. 3 hours we used to par, so we're good on a boxing. We're good on a one place called boxing. You see me? But my friend down there now, she used to have a man down there and she nyam out the man. Me I tell her, say, Mama look good still, you know. 3 hours we are par, you know. Right? And me I tell her, say, yo, she look good, the girl shape good and everything, she's a browning. So anyway, we're good on the man place. And the man now comes to Boops and like she offers a browning we're parring at the group, right? And me I tell her say good girl nyam out the man, and girl nyam out the man shop. Me I tell her say a beer supple drink, the girl a drink off of the man. Me I tell her say golden crackers and cheese and them something the mama just comes to Boops and eat off of the man. Cause the man like her, you know, Jamaican. Hold on there. Yeah, in a brownstone. In a brownstone. Yeah, girl, in a brownstone. Boxing, that's so. Up there, so we did there. So anyway, she nyam down the man shop, you know. So boom, so now the man start beg her look a pum pum and she don't want to give the man. Every time the man come check her, she don't want to give the man none of the pum pum. The man call her, invite him down at the yard, she don't want to give man nothing. So the man get vexed, no one to look on it and say, no sir, every time she come there, drink, eat out in shop and I drink out in place and then so me not get none of the tune. So the man get vexed. So anyway, one day we down a road now, right? And we are trying to get something for cook, for go up a yard, for go cook. The man run out pan her and say, hey girl, and start jape her up, you know. Start put some lick in her, me I tell you, you know. But at the time now, me see the boy I beat up my friend, you know, me I say, no, it can't work, you can't lick my friend. I'ma come to Boops and run in pan the boy, me I tell you. Cause the boy I put some lick in on my friend, you know, me I tell you, say, and I threw away a par. I'ma just come to Boops and run in pan the boy and me start give me look a funga, lick them and me a thumpy boy and a licky boy, you know. Girl, when me did I fight the man to backside, me don't feel when the man grab me. When me look up so, when me look up the road and my friend that I tear down the whole up the road. Yeah, a bossy man bust me behind my ear back, me I tell you. Man cut me behind my ear back, my friend run left me in the war. That's why me I tell you, I'm out to fight for people. I'm out to fight for people because if you decide say you're going to fight for a person at the end of the day, and next time I go run left you, it don't make no sense. What she say? It don't make no sense. So girl, if a January story, where you do ya in April? What are you doing here in April? What are you doing here in April? Yeah, TT, are you me attack? So as what me I say, I would never ever think some other fight for people again, them type of way there. Right? Next thing again, I have a friend, right? Same friend them watch me, you know, because they watch my live and so. Oh, sorry. So what January about?
Alright, my people, so I'm going to make you hear the reader man story and then I'm going to edit because that video is very long.
She said January story. When me talk my stories, I don't really want to look in no comment section sometime. What I mean by January story? Oh, Jamaica. Oh, you collect me nasty good. Oh, she miss me kind of slow. Me kind of slow, so don't take it up on me. Sorry. And sometimes I can't read good. Sorry, miss. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, Jesus. Why me so dark, man? Miss, me sorry. Me not mean nothing. Me kind of slow. But you think you said January? And when me go back and me say Jamaica. And then some if you go see Jamaica, you know, because I think you said January, you know, because like January and Jamaica look alike, you know. And people like me have to look good. So me look good. Oh, TT, sorry, you upset me, apology. You upset me? I'm so sorry. I will look good. I may look you next time. I promise you. I promise you next time I look. Alright. Okay. Guys, sorry. Oh, alright, we could continue. Osh. So, as I say, guys, right? I would never really like to fight for friend again because the girl run left me. You understand? My friend run left me. You know, so that was one of the first fight me end up in to defend a friend. That one of the first fight me end up in with defend a friend and the girl run left me. I always fight for my friend them. Love you, baby. Apple, big up yourself. That one of the first. Alright, watch this now how a friend betray me. I don't want to take it for no joke. Not because, but still for all. I want to not type no big words in the comment section. Type little words. So, I'll show you how my friend betray me. Boomson. And it's a harsh thing when time you talk it because we people do things, so you have to be judgmental. Right? One of the things when my friend betray me with, my best friend, is one time me say me and her say we are go read a man. And we say we are go look after ourselves because we want to get rich. So me and the girl sit down in a house and I talk, so when we got Obeah man, we are going to get rich, you know, because when we got Obeah man are going to make we were rich and lucky, you know. And me and my friends sit down and chat, you know, in our house, you know, I always save up, we look at money if we go down and really read a man, you know. I would say we not tell nobody. We not go tell nobody about the local plan. So we put our clothes, get up early in the morning, and the local reader man where we hear about, we say we are go up there because we want to get rich. And we say that Obeah man will make we get rich, right? After me and this girl now go up at the little Obeah man, you know, right? The Obeah man say, all right, then I take her one by one. My friend now say she want to come with me. Me don't know, oh, she's so curious. Say she want to come in the room with me. Because when she didn't do VR session, me never did want to go in for VR session, but for my session, she curious for my session. Anyway, we didn't know when the man start read me up and thing, and the man read me up and the man doing half do and rate. And me I tell you say, boom, you know, the man wash me off. Yeah, the man give me a bath. The man bought me, but the man couldn't give she the bath because she never have the money. So me did go with more money and she go with less money. You understand? So she couldn't get the money if you go do the bathing. Me could have go do my bathing and so, but she do her read up. So anyway,
We didn't know how we sort out ourselves, and when time we done, we left out a reader man place and we say, yes, we're going to get rich. He be a reader man, so we know if he be it for 9 days. Girl, 9 days the reader man said, do not bathe for 9 days. Good girl, no water, no nothing, no to touch your body for 9 days. Me I say, for 9 days, me I do it, me want to get rich. If me have to smell musky or monkey, me have to go, me want to get rich. So 9 days, me not bathe for the 9 days. So me and my friend come out and we happy and me I say, yes, good girl, I go get rich right now. Money I go run and every little thing like that. Me and her talk, we feel good, we share betwixt each other. You know, so between me come home from the little Obeah man, right? Think of peace and safety. About couple minutes after, me and one girl come down at my gate that our other friend, you know. 3 of we used to par. 3 of we used to par. Right? So me and my friend go, we never go with the other friend. Right? And I say, before we reach home and beard off and sickle down and lie down, girl. We only hear one girl come at the gate a cuss. That my other friend a cuss. And I say, you think me no you say you got Obeah man for me? Eh? You think me no you say you got Obeah man for me? You can't do me nothing. Me hear everything. And I said the girl start cuss and me I said, Jesus Christ. How the hell will this reach back? And she would have know already say we got read a man. The girl up a gate a cuss and say we got read a man for her. And them tell her say, oh she me got read a man for. And she know what she a go do. That the time I started to figure out, say the same friend will come with me. The same friend when I said she's my best friend. And the same friend left and go back. Go tell the other girls say, me got read a man for her. Yeah. It's
Me just go say this and we're going to end it, my people. Right? So eventually, Annie say, you know what I mean, the woman, whatever, go tell her friend say, she got over one fear or whatever. So me I go make her hear the like the ending night, you know, make she finish her sentence and then me I go end it. But always remember this, my people, that your best friend have a best friend. Simple.
same girl go back to the girl and tell her, say, me, go read a man for her. I remember saying, you know, the girl and my friend, you know, all our part together, you know, me I tell you, you know. That's why me I tell you, say, you can't trust people. Mama cuss up a gate, said, yo, man go, oh, me know what to do. Me you say you go Obeah man for me. I'm never gonna read a man for her. We say we are gonna read a man because we want to get rich.